Hi everyone, I hope this finds you all healthy and happy, and I've just got a couple little project shares that I want to show you or want to share with you. And the first one is you might remember my little book of art that I decided I was going to practice, doing sketching and things like that in. And I know that I showed you the inside cover where I added one of my just added one of my jelly plates prints to, and these were the little notebooks that I found at my dollar store that had the whole front page of it was a stencil, and so I cut that off, of course, and then it had a piece of black paper, thin black paper, and then I put this watercolor that I did on it to make it a little bit more sturdy, and put my jelly print on there also. And I see it's coming apart a little bit, so I need to re-glue that. And then I think I showed you my little birds, my crazy little birds that I just did in pencil, my little pencil drawing of my crazy little birds. I think I showed you that already. I don't know if I showed you this little watercolor that I did. Just playing around with my watercolors and trying to learn how to use them. And so I just did some flowers in the foreground there, and a sky with some clouds and things in the background. And I kind of like it. I like how that turned out. And I did get some new watercolor paper that doesn't have the texture to it. It's just a smooth watercolor paper. So I'm going to be interested to see how that is to work with, since I'm just kind of new to all watercolor. This is colored pencils. I don't know, I can't remember. I hope I haven't shown you these before. If I have, please forgive me. But this is watercolors. I was just playing around with my watercolors and shading, and excuse me, I'm saying watercolors and I mean colored pencils. Pardon me. Yeah, this is just colored pencils, and I was playing around with shading and that type of thing with my colored pencils. So there's that. And then the most recent one that I did a little sketch here of a face, and so there she is. And I like her. It's just pencil again. I have a long way to go, I think, but I really like her. I like how she turned out. I mean, I have a lot of work to do on my eyes and, proportions, and but I did get, I think, a kind, sort of happy expression out of her. So anyway, so that is my gal that I sketched. And so anyhow, that's all that I have done in this little book so far. And I think I remember telling you in the back I had put some little pockets in case I wanted to throw something down in those, because some of the glassine papers were gifted to me, so I put them in here to put things down in. And then I have a tag, a kitty cat tag, and I know I showed you that. I'm pretty sure my kitty cat tag that I did, just collage, and I found that kitty cat and online, and I'm pretty sure I showed you this one as well. Sing Like Never Before, and they're tucked down in. And then I'm pretty sure I also showed you this tree that I had done. I was playing around with oil pastels, and so I did this tree, and I had sealed it on the outside with something shiny. I don't know if it was Mod Podge or what, but I sealed it, and then I just put it in the very back of the book. And that's my little book so far. So there's that, and I wanted to show you something really fun. I had never seen it done before, and it is, I'll show you. I've done just 3 of them so far, but I'm going to make some more because they actually are not hard to do, and I think they come out really, really, really pretty. Pardon my arm. They are flowers that you make with nail polish, and they are totally fun. They're just completely fun to make. They're just fun, and you know, they look like they would be hard to do. I'm going to put the link in the description box below, and if I find another one that is a good video, I'll link that as well. But they are fun to do, and they seem like they're going to hold up and be durable, and you can you have to use the wire, but I was thinking you could even clip the back of it off and you know, put it flat on a project, you know, for an embellishment, or you could attach it to a clothespin for an embellishment, or you know, you could make a little bouquet of them, you know, or a little arrangement for on a card or a project or whatever. But I just think they are so adorable, and so I wanted to share that with you. And those are a couple things that I've been working on here the last couple of days, and I'm sorry I didn't get this videoed while I was doing it, but and you know, I will link her in the description box below. But that's what I've been doing, and so I will as soon as I have something else I need to talk with you about, I will be back. And in the meantime, until I visit with you again, God bless you. Bye.